Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're sitting down here to film a lash video for you guys. Recently I've been getting into lash extension and the whole process of getting them done at home and make it last for like at least 2 weeks. So I was really excited to try this brand called Veyelash. I hope I pronounced it right, but this is the brand Veyelash, and with me I've got all their DIY lash kits. We've got this whole kit here where we've got the instructions, which is so cool, and we've got like 2 sets of clusters with 2 different sizes, like 14 centimeter and 16 centimeter, and we've got the lash bond and lash seal and an applicator as well. So perfect for beginners, definitely. We've got everything we need here, and we've also got another style that says Wispy Luxury DIY Lash Extension Kit. Sorry. This one also comes with the lash bond and the lash seal and 2 different sizes of a more wispier style. You can see it's so pretty. Then we've also got these strip lashes, also another wispy strip lash set where we've got like all sorts of different sizes starting from 10 millimeters to 16 millimeters. So you can definitely customize them as per the size of your eyes or what you want. And they also send like a lot more extensions and clusters and also a lash remover, which was so convenient. So I've literally got everything I need here from this brand, and also a really cute lash brush. So cute. But yeah, if you're interested to see how to do lash extensions at home in less than like 15 minutes, super quick, super affordable, don't have to spend like hundreds of dollars at the salon, and I'm hoping these should last at least 2 weeks on the eyes. But yeah, without further ado, if you're interested to see how I'm gonna try them on and apply them, then keep on watching. So first we're gonna go over the instructions together, and step 1 is bond. So this side we've got the bond, and it says brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes and wait for 10 to 20 seconds. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna go with the 14 centimeter ones on the inner side, and as I move outward we're gonna go with a longer ones, the 16 millimeter ones, to try and achieve like somewhat of a cat eye effect. Before I begin, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes. I'm gonna start with this eye because I feel like my lashes are kind of flat, so we're just gonna give them like a quick lift. And as per the instructions, we're gonna go with the lash bond. So they did mention a little goes a long way, so I'm not gonna like apply too much. Just gonna do like a light brush. Step number 2 says use the applicator to pick a lash from the tray from the middle outer end for optimal control and application. One by one, gently placing the clusters underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from your eyelids. So this is how I'm holding them using the applicators, and I'm just gonna apply it under my lashes as per the instructions. That's 1. Let's apply another one. That's 2 on. It's 3 on. I'm trying the longer 16 centimeter one for like the outer edge. This is what it looks like with 5 pieces. That was so quick and easy, you guys. You can see my right eye compared to my left eyes. And then step 3 says spread a thin coat of seal under the clusters, and it helps to remove any sticky residue and holds the lashes just in place. So we're gonna do a quick coat of the lash seal under the lashes. But yeah, this is what they look like. From the top you can see it looks so natural, and I'm just gonna do the same thing on this eye and show you guys the finished result. Step 1 is curling. Step 2 is a thin coat of the bond on the lashes, and then we wait 10-20 seconds for that to dry, and then place them one by one under my lashes. It's 1, we've got the second one on, that's the 3rd one, that's the 4th one, and that's with the 16 centimeter one on. But yeah, that's the extensions on both my eyes, and that's what it looks like. And of course a quick seal. But yeah, this is the finished look, and oh my gosh, my eyes look so pretty. I'm obsessed, and it was so quick, you guys, like especially with this applicator and the glue. I actually prefer it over the false Cara range that I tried from Kiss. The glue feels so much better, and it feels so lightweight. It does not feel heavy at all, like usually it does when you wear false eyelashes. As you can see, it looks so natural, and from the top it's under the natural lashes, so it looks so pretty. And this is like a close-up. I cannot, you guys, guys, I am obsessed with the results. I mean, look at that. So wispy, so fluttery, so pretty. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to check the link. Everything will be in the description. Definitely check these out if you're especially like a beginner or trying eyelashes for the first time and you don't want to go to the salon to get the really expensive lash extensions done, then this is truly the perfect kit for you. It comes with everything you need, and as you can see, the results are beautiful. I'll keep you guys updated on how long it lasts. I'm hoping at least 2 weeks. But yeah, definitely check these guys out. Great packaging, super easy application process. Everything will be in the description, and don't forget to check out my socials. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video and picked up some tips and tricks. And if you want to see more, you guys know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.